Hello and welcome back. We are after the new year and this is my first unboxing this year. This is the Corpse Bride. I did not get this the first time, so this one is a little bit older and have been waiting for over a month, I believe. Before it did get out again. I really love this one because I love the Corpse and Skeleton, Jack and Skeleton, and something like that. So I was so happy to get this one. And funny story, the day before Christmas I did get engaged. So it's very nice. So now my boyfriend is my fiance, so that's very nice. I love Absolute boxes. The boxes are so beautiful. I do take care of the boxes from with design. The other boxes I don't care so much for, so I throw them out because now I have been putting them on this kind of roll thing, so I can hang them up on my door or something like that. So yeah, this is absolutely one of those boxes I take care of. I'm not gonna open the toolkit. I have so many unboxing now. I'm gonna try to take as much as I can today. But I'm not gonna, I'm gonna upload them one at a time. So kind of busy today because there are more coming in. So my postman has been here almost every single day this couple of weeks. So it's been a busy before Christmas. I have had no buy for a while and then I got on buy again. So yeah, I have like 2 more shipping coming in. Let's see. Oh, which size was this? This is 56 by 64. And here is the pretty, oh my god, she's so pretty. Who is? Oh, okay, it says kind of much here, so I'm gonna skip that. I'm not gonna open the toolkit because it takes a while and everyone have seen the toolkit now. Sorry, I was sick in the Christmas, not kind of fun. I don't know if it was the influence or if it was the corona. Okay, so this come wrong way. So 33 colors. This is a square kit, sorry if I forgot that. I found out this year, the last year, I was more on the square and the round. So every kit I'm gonna show you now is square. Let's see. Okay, so it's not so big. That's kind of nice. Very beautiful colors. Let's see. So here is the color codes. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 AB, and not a new sign, so that's nice. And here is the picture. I want this one in my bedroom, I believe. I could like this one in my bedroom. We're gonna put this on the side. Look at all the beautiful blue and pop a color. Oh my god. And gray. So much gray as well. Yes. Okay, so we got the ABA working with now on my Batman. I like that one. Let's see. So this is great. This is much color blocking as I love it. And this is not big, so this probably I'm gonna do this year because it's not so big and it's very nice and small. Yeah, I love her. She's kind of cool. Okay, let's see. We got 4 and 2 up here. We get some 1 down here in the tree. Love the tree, it's blue. 4 down here. 2 and 4 down here. Okay, 2 is also here. And we got 2 down here. Do we have some 2 or 4 in the bride? Let's see. Maybe in bride? What? Oh, 3 in here. Almost for the background, it's gotta be AB. It looks like some 3 here, 3 there. It's mostly in the background, not on her. So it's gonna be 3 down here, here. So it's much more 3 in the corpse. Let's see, 3 down here. The light part you can see here. All is 3, but look at the color blocking. It's gonna go fast. And she is so pretty. Oh my god. Yeah, I really love this painting. She's gonna go fast. Not fast, but fast enough. I love the tree is blue. Yeah, she's lovely. The Trillaria, love the Trillaria. Plenty of AB in background here. Super sticky. There are no changes to the AC right now. It's the same as always. The background is very easy. The canvas flattens out easier because it's tarpaulin. Yeah, I absolutely love Diamond Art Club's canvases. They are, oh, there are so many bubbles. Okay, they are so easy to work with. So yeah. So we down here we get the name, the size. You get 10% off the continents and the warranty. This warranty only counts if you buy it. And you also get the number and which this canvas to belong to, and that's why I'm not I have the drills and painting separated now. Not this one because this is going to be in the beautiful box it came with, but more of the other one I have. They are going up on the roll and I'm taking them out of the boxes because the boxes takes a lot of space. But yeah, that's all for this one. I love how the blue and gray creates a lovely painting and can't wait to get this beautiful bride started. So I also have a little cute cover minder of her in like what is it, clay again. So that's very nice to finally can use the cover minder. But yeah, that's all for this painting and I'm gonna move forward. So I hope to see you very soon in my next video. Thank you so much for subscribing and joining my channel. I am so glad so many people joined last year. Thank you. Bye guys.